Push lagi ang sipa, push. Side kick, push. Back kick, push. Repeat. Downward X, upward X. Downward scoop, outside scoop. Elbow. Back piece. Palm heel. Grab ng ulo, knee. Turn. Pause with pari. Turn, pause. Kick, then punch. Center. Guard. Vertical punch. O yung kamay na isa, pag walang ginagawa, lagi nandito yan. Naka-ready lagi pag suntok yung isang kamay.